In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix GTA 5 stuck on an infinite loading screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying when you're trying to either load into GTA Online or even GTA Story Mode, and you're just stuck on an infinite loading screen and you have to like reset your app and you try and do it again and it still doesn't work. That could be really frustrating. So what you want to do is firstly open up Steam, and then once you do, it's going to look something like this. You're more than likely going to be on your store. But then from here on the top, you're going to see your library. So just click on that, and then it's going to show you all the different games that you have, whether they're installed or uninstalled. They're going to be on your Steam account. Then just find whatever version of GTA you have, whether it's Legacy Edition or Enhanced Edition. It doesn't matter because this applies exactly the same for both of them. Then all you got to do is right click and then go to properties on whichever one it is. Then go to installed files, which is the third tab down. And then all you want to do is verify this game's files are installed correctly. So verify integrity of game files, press that, then it's going to basically make sure that all the files that are on, your PC for GTA 5 are the correct ones. And then after this, your GTA 5 should be working properly.